August 23rd, the year 2000, a TV show airs called BattleBots. And I love that show. It was the coolest thing I've ever seen. It was a bunch of just giant metal machines destroying each other. Just a bunch of remote-controlled weapons. It was just violence via a controller. And so since then, I've always tried to replicate it in some way or another. Pretty short after watching the airing of that show, when I was about 6 years old, I taped a bunch of nails and screws to an RC car, and I would just drive it around and crash it into things. And that was awesome for a short amount of time, until my aunt found it and said it was dangerous and wants to call an emergency family meeting. Whatever, she's crazy. And now that I have my engineering degree, this is something I'm more than capable of. But personally, I just don't really want to work for like a defense contractor and making weapons. You know, I feel like I'd be pretty good at it, but I still just prefer to keep my violence at home, you know, domestically. But whatever. Even though now I'm in my 20s, I can for sure make something that I can really disappoint my aunt with. You know, I can take it a step further than the nails taped to an RC car. So to start my journey here, a few weeks ago, I was working on a little toy project truck. It's just like a little 3D modeled, painted, coated little RC truck using these little PCBs I designed. And it was a really cool little project. It had headlights that worked. It had blinkers that worked. But then that's when the intrusive thoughts took over, and I decided to add something to it that has no business being on a toy truck.
That's right. A gun.
So now I'm stuck with the idea of strapping an airsoft gun to my truck. And that was not the easiest journey.
I have no idea how this thing works.
And after figuring out how it worked, I basically just soldered it together. I 3D modeled some more stuff. I screwed it all together, programmed it, and all of a sudden I had a gun strapped to an RC car. But now this is where it starts to go a little off the rails. I wanted to test it, right? I wanted to see how well this thing worked, and I'm not going to ask someone to get shot by it. So of course I got to do it. And so I had this whole bit planned, and I was going to ask my girlfriend for help, which she agreed to a little bit too easily.
Hey, Olivia.
What?
Do you want to shoot me?
Sure.
Why'd you say sure so easily?
But then my big mistake was I taught her how to use it before I explained to her what the bit was. Okay, Olivia, so the bit I was thinking of doing is, like, I dress up like an animal. That hurts so bad. No. No! And now she's taken that ability of knowing how to use it and will use it at any point in time to torture me.
Hey, Thomas.
Yeah? Oh my god! I want to get out of the shower.
You gotta stay in there until that little butthole of yours is clean.
And so now I live in fear of something I created. And now I'm stuck with this thing in my house. I'm very proud of it. I don't want to throw it away. But every time I look away, I feel like I'm going to get shot by it. Hey, it's Editing Thomas here. I actually realized after some thinking, I should probably sell this thing just because I'm so scared of it. So she's 5'2". She has red hair. Anyway, here's a quick little demo reel of it being awesome.
Damn it, I hit the girl.
So, was this project a good idea? Probably not. Thanks for watching.